This is chapter number 6, Impacts of Computing. I will cover short response questions from this topic. Question number 1, what is responsible use of computers? Responsible use of computers means using technology in an ethical way. It ensures respect for others' rights and privacy. It also includes following rules, laws, and proper online behavior. Question number 2, what is safe use of computers? Safe use of computer means protecting users from digital risks. It involves avoiding cyber threats and harmful content. It also includes using secure passwords and trusted websites. Question number 3, what is responsible use of hardware and software? Users should handle hardware carefully and legally use software. It prevents damage and software piracy. It also promotes proper maintenance and lawful use of technology. What is digital platform safety? Digital platform safety involves protecting personal data online. It prevents cyber attacks and identity theft. It also requires users to use privacy settings and stay alert online. What is user privacy? User privacy protects personal information. It ensures data is not accessed without permission. Privacy helps users feel safe and secure in digital environments. Question number 6, what is intellectual property? Intellectual property refers to creation of the mind. Examples include software, music, and inventions. It gives creators legal rights over their original work. What are copyright laws? Copyright laws protects creators' work. They prevent unauthorized copying. These laws encourages respect for ownership and fair use of content. What is computing innovation? Computing innovation refers to new technologies and systems. These innovations improve efficiency and productivity. They also help solve modern problems in different fields. What is malicious software? Malicious software, malware, is harmful software. It damages or steals computers' data. Malware can also slow down systems or disrupt their normal operations. What is a computer virus? A computer virus is a type of malware. It spreads and damages computer systems. It usually attaches itself to files or programs and spreads when executed. What is a computer worm? A worm is a self-replicating malware. It spreads through computer networks. Unlike a virus, it can spread automatically without user action. Question number 12. What is a Trojan horse? A Trojan horse is a harmful program disguised as useful software. It allows attackers to access computer systems. Users are often tricked into installing it by thinking it is safe. What is spyware? Spyware secretly monitors user activities. It collects personal information. It may also track passwords, browsing history, and user behavior. What is system security? System security protects computer systems. It prevents unauthorized access. It also helps maintain data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. What is fake news? Fake news is false information spread online. It misleads people and society. Fake news can create confusion, fear, or wrong opinions. What is disinformation? Disinformation is deliberately false information. It is spread to mislead people. It is different from misinformation because it is shared intentionally. What is social networking? Social networking allows people to communicate online. It connects users through digital platforms. It helps people share ideas, media, and information quickly. What are advantages of social networking? It enables global communication and interaction. It helps share information and ideas. It also supports education, business promotion, and community buildings. What are disadvantages of social networking? It may cause privacy risk. It can spread misinformation. It may also lead to cyberbullying, addiction, and reduced productivity. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity protects digital systems. It defends against cyber attacks. It helps secure network, device, and online information. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is the use of digital technologies to harass or harm others. It occurs on social media, messaging platform, or online games. It can affect a person's mental health, confidence, and well-being. What is digital footprint? A digital footprint is the record of online activities. It includes information shared on the internet and social networks. A positive digital footprint supports a person's online reputation. What is phishing? Phishing is a cyber attack that tricks users into revealing sensitive data. It often occurs through fake emails or websites. Its purpose is usually to steal passwords, bank detail, or personal information. What is spam? Spam refers to unwanted or irrelevant messages. It is commonly sent through email or messaging systems. Spam can waste time and may also carry scam or harmful links. What is encryption? Encryption converts information into a secure code. It protects data from unauthorized access. Only authorized users with the correct key can read the original data. What is authentication? Authentication verifies the identity of a user. It ensures only authorized user access system. Common methods include passwords, pins, and biometric verification. What is password security? Password security protects accounts using strong passwords. Strong passwords reduce the risk of unauthorized access. A strong password should include letters, numbers, and special characters. What is data privacy? Data privacy ensures personal data is protected. It prevents misuse of personal information. It also gives user control over how their data is collected and shared. What is usability in computing? Usability refers to how easily users can operate a system. Good usability improves the overall user experience. A usable system is usually simple, clear, and efficient to use. What is the privacy security usability trade-off? Increasing security may reduce system usability. Designers must balance privacy, security, and usability. A good system should remain secure while still being convenient for users. What is ethical computing? Ethical computing means using technology responsibly. It respects laws, privacy, and intellectual property. It also promotes honesty, fairness, and respectful online behavior. What is software piracy? Software piracy is legal copying of software. It violates copyright laws. It can cause financial loss to software developers and companies. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is using someone else's work without permission. It violates intellectual property rights. It is considered dishonest and unethical in education and professional work. What is digital citizenship? Digital citizenship refers to responsible use of technology. It promotes safe and ethical online behavior. A good digital citizen respects others' laws and online rules. What are computing innovation? Computing innovations are new technologies developed using computing. They improve communication and productivity. Examples include smart devices, mobile apps, and cloud services. What are positive impacts of computing? Computing enables faster communication and easy access to information. It improves education, healthcare, and business services. It also increases efficiency, innovation, and global connectivity. What are negative impacts of computing? Computing may create privacy breaches. It can spread fake news and cybercrime. It may also cause addiction, unemployment, and misuse of technology. What is intellectual property protection? Intellectual property protection safeguards creative works using legal rights. It prevents unauthorized use of inventions or content. It encourages creators to produce original work and innovations. What is patent? A patent protects new inventions. It gives inventors exclusive rights for a certain period. During this period, others cannot make or sell the invention without permission. What is a trademark? A trademark protects brand names and logos. It identifies the source of goods or services. It helps business builds identity and protect their brand images.